Hi, I'm Miss Jamie. Welcome to Cinderella Ballet. Today we are going to tell the story of Cinderella and learn all sorts of dance moves together. Let's get started. Once upon a time, Cinderella lived with her stepsisters and stepmother. Every day she had to do so many chores. Do you have to do chores at your house? First, she would sweep the floor. So show me how you sweep the floor like Cinderella. That's it. Next, she would pick up her stepsister's clothes. So let's skip around, picking up all sorts of clothes from the ground. She also had to wash the dishes. So show me how you wash the dishes. That's it. Cinderella was always exhausted, and her only friends were the animals. She was friends with the birds. Can you show me how you fly like a bird? She was friends with the dogs. Can you howl like a dog? Oh, oh, oh. Or even bark or woof. And she was friends with the horses. Gallop like a horse. Cinderella was even friends with the mice. So show me how you scurry like a mouse. Cinderella wished on a star one night that something amazing would happen. One day, a message from the castle came, and it said that there was going to be a huge dance and party at the castle. What do you think? Should we go to the party? I think so too. Cinderella decided to get ready and practice all of her dance moves for the party. So first, let's stretch out by reaching up to the sky. That's it. And down to your toes. Give them a tap. Reach up to the sky, this time on your tippy toes. And down to your toes. Okay, let's come down to the floor. Put your feet together and move your knees like butterfly wings. If you like, you can make a double butterfly. That's it. Now grab onto your ankles and show me how you do a butterfly rock. From side to side. Let's stretch out our legs and our sides. So one leg out, one leg in, big breath, and reach for your toe. Other side, switching legs, big breath, and reach. I think we're ready to try some ballet. So let's stand up nice and tall in our first position. So heels together, toes out, hands on your hips or hands on your skirt, and show me how you bend your knees to plie. That's it. Now we're going to try something called releve. We're going to push up onto our tippy toes and down. Push up, up to releve and down. Two more times. Releve and down. One more time. Releve and down. Good. Shake it out. Shake, shake, shake. Now let's try a jump. Let's imagine there's a star above our head and we want to jump up and hit that star with our head. So we're going to take a little plie and saute. Grab that star, tap it with your head. Saute. Nice. Let's try 3 more. Plie, saute. Nice. Last one. I think Cinderella is ready to go to the ball. But she quickly realized that she didn't have anything to wear. So she ran to the garden and started to cry. Poor Cinderella. Now someone came to help Cinderella. Do you remember who helps her? That's right, the fairy godmother. I am going to be the fairy godmother and you are going to be Cinderella. I'm going to say the magic words, bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. Then I want you to spin 3 times and show me your new outfit for the dance. Ready? Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. Spinning 1, 2, 3. Wow, show me your new outfit. Show me your dress, maybe your crown, your glass slippers. Wow, let's try some dance moves in our new Cinderella outfit. So let's go up on our tippy toes, hold on to our skirt, and show me how you walk like a princess. That's it. If you like, you can add in a royal wave. Nice. Let's try 10 princess walks together. Ready? High on your tippy toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how should we say hello to the king and queen? Should we say, hi king, hi queen? No? Okay, let's try a little fancier way. Let's try a curtsy. We're gonna step to the side, toe behind, and curtsy. Hello, king. Step to the side, toe behind, and curtsy. Hello, queen. Now let's say hello to the prince and princess with our curtsy. Hello, prince. Hello, princess. Very nice. I think that's better. Now let's imagine that we are dancing at the ball. How would you dance? Would you spin? Would you arabesque? Would you work on your pliés? Show me how you would dance. Nice. So Cinderella had her outfit, but she needed some help. She couldn't walk there, especially not in her glass slippers. So we need to find a pumpkin. See if you can find something to be your pumpkin. Ah, here's my pumpkin. So let's say bibbidi, bobbidi, boo, and turn it into a carriage. Ready? Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. Now we have a carriage. We need some horses to pull our carriage. I think we should use 2 white mice. So quick, catch 2 white mice. There's one. There's one. Hold them out. Ooh, that's it. Okay, let's say our magic words. Do you remember them? That's right. Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. Now we have some horses. Finally, we need a driver and a footman. That means we need 2 dogs. All right, I hope you have a dog at your house. Let's get him. Come on, come on. Let's say our magic words. Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. Now we have a driver and a footman. So Cinderella was able to go to the castle in her carriage. So get into your carriage and let's go over the mountain, through the forest, to the castle. Cinderella arrived at the castle and she saw the prince. They started to dance together. All of a sudden, she heard ding dong, ding dong. It was midnight, and her fairy godmother had told her she needed to be home before midnight. So Cinderella said, "Oh, I'm so sorry, but I need to go. I need to go." And she started to run away. As she was running away, she lost one of her shoes. And she ran all the way home, through the forest, over the mountain, and she went straight to bed. The next day, there was a knock on her door. And it was the prince, and he was looking for someone who had lost their shoe at the ball. Now, let's try it on the stepsisters first. Do you think it's going to fit the stepsisters? Yes or no? The first stepsister tried the shoe. Ouch, ouch, ouch. This shoe is too small. The second stepsister tried it. Ugh, this shoe is too big. Then the stepmother tried it. Give me that, she said. Ouch, ouch, ouch. This shoe is too small. Finally, the prince asked if there was anyone else who could try the shoe. And Cinderella said, I would like to try, please. So what do you think? Should we try on the shoe and see if it fits? So Cinderella tried on the shoe, and it was a perfect fit. Did your shoe fit too? Amazing! And so they lived happily ever after. I hope you had fun dancing the story of Cinderella with me. If you'd like to join a live class where we tell this story and we also play a dance game called the Cinderella Clock Game, then you can find the link down below. Until next time, bye!